You missed.
I mean, you kind of lit up my car. Man,
You missed. Yeah.
no, he didn't. He got me.
Oh, he got me. Let's go. Look at me. Look at me.
1 second.
A few moments later.
Looks out.
Not just you looked amazing after what I just saw.
Maybe it's for my bike. I don't care.
Do you have any businesses you could sell?
No, look at me.
A few moments later.
Hit.
Hey, go straight. Just go straight.
I'm
just
going
go
straight. I'm going straight. Oh no! We were going. We're not stopping till we get the 5 stores again.
That's debatable. I don't think there's gonna be 5 stores left for us to rob.
Vehicles.
How much money did you make? How much money did you make?
I have 2K.
Oh, I know why we died, Teddy.
Why?
I had to put my visor.
Oh, dang. The
Teddy.
visor points.
Teddy,
What? Oh, is this my vehicle?
I'll get back to work.
where's my bike?
I don't know actually. I don't know your bike. Where are you?
So you didn't do this to my bike? You didn't do this to my bike?
Where's your bike? I didn't know it went up there. Oh, I remember it was dying.